Just guess it guys, which car is hiding over here? Hello all the collectors of the world. Today we have two new diecast cars and today we are going to unbox them and let's see how they are. So let's try with this. Let's unbox this little beauty. And I think this is a Ferrari guys. Just look at this little beauty. This is a little beautiful red color car. Is this a Ferrari guys? Comment in the comment section, let me know, because I can't see anything. Okay, this is not battery operated. This part is made up of plastic and the top part is made up of metal. This is a little die-cast car and this is really cute. I guess this is a Ferrari guys, because it looks like a Ferrari. See? So as you can see, the doors are opening. Here you can see the mirrors are looking good. The back section, two lights. There is no number plate, but there are some hinges here, and the front is looking totally good. Good work, decent finishing guys. For the collection it will be a good add-on. If you can guess, just write it on the comment section. Let's unbox this one. So the moment of truth is coming, and this is a beautiful model guys. This is really a beautiful and crazy model. 3, 2, 1. This is a fucking Bugatti guys. This is the stand and we have to unscrew it. This is the Bugatti Bolide car guys, and look at it. The doors are here, you can open it, but the doors are too hard to open. See, and look at this guys. We can also open the fan here. Let me show you the main thing guys. Just hear it. Look at the back section right here. It's a 1:32 scale model guys, and this is 1:36 scale model. But this is I think a Ferrari guys. Please let me know in the comment section. I am too confused about it. And just look at this beauty guys. Do you think it's worthy? So for me till now this is the best car I have got. Do you agree with me guys? This model costed me around 1200 rupees and I have bought it from Amazon guys. If you want to buy it, just tell me in the comment section. I will provide the link for this product, but you have to wait for the sale. And if you like this video, do like, comment, share and subscribe our channel Collecting with Us, and peace out.